Queen Square is really known for the strong interaction, the co-location of the hospital and the university, the institute. So research and clinical care. The two support each other, interact with each other. So the questions come from the clinical environment. How do you want to treat? How do you understand? How do you further any clinical issue? And you try to answer that from the scientific point of view. And from the scientific point of view comes again then the question, well, how can I apply this into a clinical environment? So it goes back and forth in both directions all the time.
Queen Square is everything and anything neurology and neurosurgery. This has been the focus since 1860. That is over 150 years. There's no better place to get the right foundation and the right mentorship in neuroimaging.
I decided to study here because it's basically a hallmark of neuroscience all over the world. When I was in med school, basically every research that I read about neurosurgery or neurology or neuroscience was basically pointing towards Queen Square. And I think one of the biggest names in science are here. And basically they are your tutors, they are your teachers, and you can interact face to face with them. That's something really, really amazing.
What I love about doing neuroimaging in Queen Square is that you learn through a variety of different ways, through workshops and lectures delivered by leading specialists in the field. I have a background in engineering, and when I heard of this course in Advanced Neuroimaging, I was really interested in the mix of neuroscience and engineering.
One of the reasons why I chose Queen Square is that the flexible distance learning option was available, which was ideal for me, and in fact I wouldn't have been able to attend all the courses in person, so this was really ideal for me.
The course will provide you with the basic understanding of how these various imaging techniques work. It will also provide you with the knowledge about when to use them, how best to use them. You will be taught by leaders in the field of neuroimaging, by leaders in clinical neurology, neurosurgery, and also in physics and computer science.
What else can you ask for when the developers of SPM are teaching you image analysis using SPM? You study neuroimaging at advanced level in a supportive, multicultural, and multidisciplinary clinical, research and academic environment. London is a wonderful city, diverse, multicultural and welcoming environment.
I think the course has given me a deep understanding of some neurodegenerative diseases as well as treatment and current research in the field, and I think this will help me to do further research or even go into the medical field.
This course really prepared me in the sense that it provided me with a very good knowledge concerning functional neuroimaging, knowledge that I wouldn't have been able to acquire otherwise.
If you want to do something with imaging, being either applying to your patients or applying to your research, this is the place to be, for sure.
After this course, you will clearly experience a step up in your career as a radiographer, as a neuroradiologist. You will go back to do your work with a much better understanding of your field, and you may actually go on into a research route. About 20% of our students go into an academic career. London is an incredible city to live in. UCL is a world-leading institution with an amazing reputation in neuroimaging. We have students from all four corners of the world, and we are looking forward to welcoming you.